Hi my loves, in this video I'm going to teach you how to properly customize your YouTube channel homepage using your mobile phone. So quickly we're just going to go over to Chrome and type in the search bar YouTube Studio. When it loads up, just long press on it and open in new page. So we're going to be seeing our channel in the desktop format in the new page. So now what you need to do is to click on the customization icon that is on the left side of the menu bar. It looks like a magic wand. Where this icon is right now, that is where you need to click. When you click on it, it's going to take you to channel customization. Now we just have to go over to branding. This is where we come to put our profile picture, our YouTube banner, and our YouTube watermark. So we're just going to go ahead and click on the profile picture. I want this channel to be like a makeup channel, so I'm just going to pick a picture for my profile picture that actually represents makeup, stuff like that. So this beautiful makeup photo that I took on my birthday, I'm just going to put it there. So you can either choose to work with like a personal picture for your YouTube channel or any other photo that represents your brand, represents your identity. So you just go ahead and click on done. Now the next thing is our YouTube banner. You want to make sure that when somebody comes to your page for the first time, as soon as they look at your banner, they almost immediately know what your channel is about. So for our YouTube banner, we're going to be designing it with an editing tool called Canva. Canva has been like a go-to graphic designer tool for content creators. So if you don't have it in your phone, just go ahead to download it. It has a free version and a pro version, but we're going to be using the free version. So I'm just going to type on the search bar of Canva because my niche is around beauty. I'm just going to add beauty to the search so that when it comes out, it's going to bring out banners that are related to beauty. So just go ahead and add a keyword that is close to your niche. So I'm going to type on the search bar YouTube banner beauty. Now here we go. It loads up so many beautiful templates of YouTube banner that I can actually work with. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on one. So one thing to note about the YouTube banner is that it can be viewed in 3 different dimensions. The full size of this banner can be viewed on TV, half the size can be viewed via laptop, and just a little of the middle part can be viewed via phone. So you want to make sure all your information is small and concise in the middle. So with that said, I'm just going to go ahead and edit the information in this banner to suit my preference. I'll go ahead to add my channel name, when my audience should expect videos, and just a little tip of what I will be posting, and of course a call to action, that is the subscribe thingy over there. So I'll just take my time to make sure everything is in the right corner where I want them, and after everything I'm just going to go ahead and save. So now after editing our YouTube banner, the next thing to create is our channel watermark. You see those small icons that are usually at the corner of a YouTube video? It is called YouTube watermark. So we are going to create it here in Canva. So we are just going to use the aspect ratio for Instagram square. So in a fresh page, we're just going to click on the plus button, click on element, and type on the search bar YouTube subscribe button, then impute it. If you like, you can also go ahead and also add the YouTube icon just by clicking on the plus, going to element, and typing that on the search bar. You can choose to work with just one, but if the two works for you, no problem. When you are done, you can just go ahead and save it. You can either use this as your watermark or your personal picture, any one of your preference, as your YouTube channel watermark. So now with our watermark and our YouTube banner done, we have to go back to the YouTube studio to upload them. So now go ahead and click on the upload button and upload your banner. If your informations are not in the safe side in the middle, you have to go back to Canva and make sure to shrink them down a little bit and save, and also go back and re-upload to make sure that all your informations are in this safe area. After you are done doing that, you can now go ahead and upload. When you are done uploading your YouTube banner and you are satisfied with what you are seeing, you can go ahead to upload your watermark. You can choose to use your personal photo or the YouTube subscribe button that we just designed in Canva. On the watermark display time, we are going to click on entire video because we want our watermark to be showing on the entire length of our video. Now that we have a YouTube channel that is properly branded, the next thing to do now is to click on publish. Then we move further to basic info. So we are going to start off with a name that represents our channel. That is like your channel name. So you can choose to use like your personal name or your brand name, whatever works for you. So I said before that I want this channel to be like a makeup channel. So I'm just going to go ahead and name it Favor Glam. That's what like a lot of makeup artists do these days. This channel is purely for demonstration. There is no makeup channel anywhere. Okay, good. So the next thing you want to fill is your channel handle. It's going to comprise of your name and numbers. So I'm just going to go ahead and put Favor Glam 1. Favor Glam 1, whatever works for you. Do you get? So just go ahead and do that. If the name has not been taken before, that's going to be a green check mark at the corner. So when you're done, you can just go ahead and add your description. Now your channel description is actually one of the most important parts when optimizing your channel homepage. That first line, you want to make sure that first line is properly optimized. You want to go straight to the point and tell people what your channel is about and what they should be expecting when they subscribe to your channel. So you see this first line, make sure to pitch yourself to potential subscribers. Do not waste it, okay? Good. So because this is a makeup channel, I'm going to be writing something like this: teaching you the best makeup tips on how to slay on a budget. So when a makeup enthusiast comes to this channel for the first time, they would want to subscribe because why not? Okay, so after doing a proper justice to the first line of your description, then you can go ahead and introduce yourself, say some things about yourself if you want to, and welcome them to your channel and tell them to subscribe because of course it is going to be worth their time. So now after making sure your description is well put together, the next section to go is links. Your subscribers would love to connect with you. Do you get? They would want to ask questions, they want to send you goodwill messages and so much more. Besides kind subscribers that will be checking up on you, you might even get business opportunities. So you want to give these people an avenue to be able to find you and chat with you. So now you go over to your Instagram or your Facebook or your Twitter or whatever social media account that you have. You go over there and copy the link and come back here, write a title of which social media platform that is, and of course paste your link. You can paste as many social media account links as you want depending on your preference. When you are done with that, just go to the email section and put in your valid emails so that you can be getting notified anytime something is going on in your account. Maybe somebody commented or stuff like that. So just go ahead and put your email and we're done. We are done. So you can just go ahead and click on publish, and all these changes are going to be added to your channel automatically. Please say something kind in the comment section, and please reward me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video to tell the algorithm that this is good content. Thank you so much for being kind. My name is Favor Matthew, and see you in my next content. Bye.